Arogyavan is one of the unique places in Statue of Unity to visit. It is a huge and spacious garden. This garden has a huge variety of plants and flowers to display. The garden is divided into different sections like yoga garden, indoor plant section, digital information sector, and a lot more. Arogyavan has also a small cafeteria serving healthy food. We got to have some tasty Gujarati thali. Also, there was a small handicraft store and a wellness center. Now let's explore the place. Well, the main motive of this park was to spread awareness regarding health and fitness. You could see in the entrance they have displayed different postures for Surya Namaskar. Well, you have to buy the tickets online from their website. I will leave the link in the description box. Now, after entering the park, we had an instructor to guide us about how to explore the park and how we will find different sections in the park. He told us that Arogya means health and the park is built to spread awareness about health. The park was built in a span of 6 months from 1st May 2019 to 30th October 2019. There is also a digital information center in the park to explain you about health and fitness digitally. So here the instructor is telling us there are some bonsai plants kept in the entrance of the garden. So he is explaining us about the different sections of the garden through this map. The garden is very huge, so there is a lot to explore inside. I will be explaining about all these sections while we explore the garden. So we will see the garden and explore it in detail. So guys, before we move ahead, please do like and subscribe my channel. This motivates me to make such videos, and also hit the notification bell icon for more such interesting updates. So now let's explore the park in detail. So this is the welcome area, that is the entrance of the park. You will find some beautiful bonsai plants here. These are short plants which are known as bonsai plants. Wow, this seems to be a very huge and beautiful garden. You will enjoy the tour, guys. Please stay tuned. So this section is known as Garden of Colors. This section was built keeping in mind the 5 senses of human being. Garden of Colors displays the sense of eyesight. Lot of colorful plants were planted in this section. The garden was very well maintained and clean. Well, you may also find some good selfie points and picture spots inside the garden. You may find some very good spots for photography. Also, you guys may follow me on Facebook and Instagram on my account @TheTravelClever. I put all the latest updates for my trips on my Facebook and Instagram account. So the next section is indoor plant section. This section has a lot of indoor plants. You may grow all these plants in the indoors. Well, if you love gardening and also planting plants at home, this is the best place to have and gain some knowledge about plants and trees. There is a huge variety of indoor plants in this section. For example, money plant, which is planted indoors. So this is one of the most beautiful views of the garden. You may also find a detailed text information on my website travelclever.co.in. So this is the next section, which is the aroma garden. You may find a lot of aromatic plants grown here in this section. The garden is beautifully planned and built. Again, these are some spots for some great photography. You may also take your pictures and selfies here. So the next section is Aushadh Manav section. Well, this section is a huge and important section, and it is also well planned and built. This section has lot of medicinal plants. Well, the next section is Yoga Garden. It is one of my favorite sections. There are different postures for different asanas displayed in the garden. They have tried to spread awareness about yoga and their asanas and benefits of yoga through this garden. It was a well built and planned garden. So guys, do log into my website travelclever.co.in to plan your visit to Statue of Unity and the nearby attractions too. You may get all the articles about the Statue of Unity on my website. So this is a small store near the exit of the garden. You may find a store near the exit of the garden with some handmade products. You can also find some handicraft items, pottery items. So these are some bottles, cups, glasses and a lot more. So this is a small cafeteria inside Arogya Van. You will find some good healthy refreshments in the cafeteria. Also they offered us some local food here, which is a Gujarati thali. Well, we had informed them before 2 hours that we would have a lunch meal here. They provided us with this simple and healthy thali. The food was simple but at the same time very delicious. Well, the women working in the cafeteria are the local villagers. A lot of local villagers have got employment opportunities through these attractions. They had kept the cafeteria very clean and neat and maintained it well. Arogya Van also has a wellness center which is run by a renowned ashram of Kerala known as Santigiri. They offer some treatments, medicinal oils and Ayurvedic medicines in the wellness center. Overall, my visit to Arogya Van was a beautiful experience. I enjoyed all the sections of the garden and especially the cafeteria, food, meal and also a bit of shopping from the local store. Well, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.